Morning, YouTubers. What's up? Got another bear edge here. Great old big thing, too. It's about 1.75 inch blade and about a 2.25 inch handle. A little over 3 inches overall, I believe. Put that piece of paracord in there to show you that little latch right there. I think this thing was made for a necklace. Opens up good. Paracord fits it just right, the small stuff. It's all stainless, no clip to clip it on your pocket or nothing. Solid stainless steel. Well, folks, have a good day. Stay safe. God bless you, and please subscribe. Thank you. Thank you.